If you're experiencing login issues on Nationwide, follow these straightforward steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try refreshing your connection or switching to a different network if possible. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies by going into the Settings or Preferences menu, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions or try logging in using a different browser or incognito mode. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Nationwide's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and help resolve any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help.